Welcome back to the channel. Today is now Saturday morning and I'm at the car wash here with Monito, but I just finished driving the car, so I'm gonna let it kind of cool down a bit before I start spraying in the engine bay. Man, that Cerakote looks good, and I love how the Mag Blue is like not flashy, but if you really look at it, it looks real nice. So that's kind of what I wanted to go for. Like, it is going to be like a little bit show car looking once everything's all said and done, but I like the Mag Blue because it kind of looks black until you look at it, and then I think it'll look good with the candy red valve cover and a few other touches that we're going to do.
Excuse me?
Full throttle, boys?
Hey bro, where my pants keep stacking, bro?
You don't wear a belt?
Nah.
Put on a belt. Look, I got a belt.
Excuse me?
I'll let you borrow a belt. This is a car wash we filmed the video at. Car wash is badass.
Hey doggy, don't come here.
Just finished washing our cars. Gonna go put some gas, meet up with Dan, and then we'll go ahead and jam out. I got that sticker on there. Hopefully it dries up before we get to the Toyo meet. I was kind of scared driving the car, just because, like, you know, removing fuel injectors and just messing with fuel in general. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't leaking or anything. But the car's fine. It just smells really bad because the Cerakote is fresh and it's smoking still, but it's fine.
Take some of those wires, or just gotta be careful.
Made it to the parking lot. Monito and myself decided to park together. Yeah, we made it. Made it late, but we made it nonetheless. I think Eric is here. I'm gonna go see if I could catch him.
I got the same thing in the car with the blocks on it.
Yeah.
Put on that one. Love that thing now. Yeah, right.
Eric switching up his style all the time. No more Jay's wing. Now he's got the SIR one piece, I believe. Too clean. And you got Dre. I believe he changed his wheel setup too. Man, Dre's interior is so dope. Power folding mirrors. Nah, you got to be in it. Was Gucci. We got Monito's EK right here eating some, what is that?
Bro, this is some barbacoa quesadillas. I've never tried this in my life.
Okay.
Like barbacoa tacos I tried, barbacoa, but quesadillas?
Never. I told him he could use my tailgate as a table. A ver.
No, get a fucking bite.
No. Mejor te doy una mordida a ti.
Excuse me?
Fuck
I
you.
have it in my car, but...
So
This is heaven.
it was Monito's idea to come up here, up these steps. Got some pretty cool pictures.
If you were a true photographer, bro, you'd walk on this shit.
Hell no, I'm scared of heights.
You'd fucking, what did they call it? What did they used to call that shit? Planking?
You know, a lot of people hate on this car, but this thing looks real nice. Oh, I wish I would have brought Nala. He just slammed into my camera. You alright? Here's some pictures of this NSX right here. Look at the hood van. I think it's massive. 280. This is tight. Nice color. Varus kit.
Have you seen this? On this?
You guys seen this hatch before? It was at the sleigh ride. This thing is beautiful. Eagle 5. Eagle 5? I think so.
I do. I want one. I want R34, but I don't.
Nice S2000s. I'm using my 85mm lens. Let's see if I post up pictures that I've been taking.
They pretty fun shit, bro. My hatchback doesn't even look like this, bro. Are you recording this?
Yeah. I don't really like taking pictures at car shows, but sometimes I like to challenge myself, see if I could get some stuff, get some shots or whatever. So we'll see if I even edit any of these pictures, but for now, just enjoying.
I'm gonna get a loan. I'm gonna get one of these.
Do it. I keep forgetting to vlog, but pretty much this whole area right here is all Toyo Tires cars, or at least cars that are on Toyo Tires. Some nice cars here.
What I'm dealing with right now?
No, look, I'm looking at this yellow NSX.
I like those wheels, bro.
Volksy 28s.
I kind of want to get some of those.
Behind some Project Mule, I think that's how it's pronounced. Calipers, brakes and stuff. Damn. Okay. NSXR taillights too, that's badass.
Hey, there's not that many Hondas here, like though.
Yo!
We're just become best friends.
Yo! As if I don't copy your car enough already.
Copy my wardrobe too now?
Yeah. What the heck?
Man, I need the receipt. Where'd you get those?
I got these on Christmas. My brother,
Okay, yeah.
my brother got these for me.
Okay. He knows. He been my style then, huh?
Yeah.
We're like,
The hustle don't stop, people. Should have brought the Groms. Peace out, Monito. Drive safe. So I'm gonna meet up with Eric. He's somewhere over there. We're gonna go to a brewery and we're gonna, I guess, grab some food. They're gonna drink. I'm not gonna drink, but they're gonna grab some food. We're gonna hang out. So we just finished eating over at the Karl Strauss Brewery. I just came to take some quick pictures on my I stole my girlfriend's Polaroid camera, and I took some pictures of mine and Eric's car, but it's time to go home. I want to go see my puppy. So yeah, let me go sit in traffic for an hour. And this is why my daily is automatic. Stop and go traffic. Not the business. wish I had fast track right now. And we're moving. I was kind of scared. My car started overheating. I think I just need a better fan. But should be home in a bit. Oh, look at that car. Something just happened to that truck. But yeah, we'll be home probably like in 20 minutes or so. And tomorrow we'll be right there at the Eibach facility. What's up, Nala? Made it back home. Traffic sucked. It took me like an hour and 10 minutes to get home. The car started overheating, but I think it's because it needs a better fan. Because as soon as I started moving, it went back down to normal temperature. So I'm gonna order a Spall fan, but nonetheless we made it home. And I don't think I showed you guys the bay. I think I did show you guys the bay, but anyways, I think before I post the engine bay on Instagram, I want to upload this video first. So I think that's it for today's vlog. I'll pick it up tomorrow and I'll just put 2 days in one. Tomorrow we got the Eibach throwback meet. Tomorrow we got the Eibach throwback meet, and we'll be attending that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. He got his car back finally. He had a ship from Hawaii. We would always talk on Instagram, and finally I get to meet him and see his car in person. Damn, and he's got power steering. Fuck, that's tight.
None of that.
Yeah, no, my shit ain't got that.
I don't need either.
Me either.
I ain't got nothing. Integra Type R rear seats, that's what I want to do. But I got gray interior, so probably not. This guy's my twin, but not really, but yeah. So I was supposed to be filming today, but I didn't. The event is done, but I do got something to show you guys. This is my friend Royce. We met through Instagram, and he was stationed in Hawaii, but now he's back, and pretty much twins. We're just gonna take a quick picture. Sorry I didn't really get a lot of footage, but I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm gonna snap a picture real quick and jam out and head home and go enjoy the rest